Today, we'll show you how to install a REESE 5th Airborne Premium Pin Box, part number 94420, onto a fifth wheel trailer. Make your next getaway a breeze with the REESE 5th Airborne Premium Pin Box. With a capacity of 20,000 pounds, the 5th Airborne's superior air ride technology works to reduce chucking and dampen road shock to provide the smoothest towing experience possible, so you can enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all parts included in the instructions. During this installation, we'll be using the following tools. Before starting the installation, take note of the number of bolts used to attach the trailer's existing pin box to its mounting wing set. It is recommended that you use at least the same number of bolts to install the REESE 5th Airborne as the number removed from the original pin box. Begin the installation by removing the safety lanyard breakaway switch and original equipment manufacturer pin box from the fifth wheel trailer. Once the trailer's original pin box is removed, you will need to determine the proper bolt hole locations for mounting the REESE 5th Airborne to the trailer's wing set. The 5th Airborne is uniquely designed to fit a variety of wing set mounting patterns, depending on the style of the fifth wheel trailer. Use the guide provided in your installation instructions to determine the correct mounting position for your application. The height of the 5th Airborne should be adjusted in the trailer's wing set to allow a minimum of 6 inches of clearance between the top of the truck's bed and the underside of the front of the fifth wheel trailer when the 5th Airborne's airbag is filled. Once the proper location is determined, lift the 5th Airborne into place, aligning its predetermined mounting holes with the mounting holes on the fifth wheel trailer's wing set. Thread the provided 5/8" hex bolts and flat washers through the aligned holes. Then fasten them with the included conical washers and hex nuts. After all the fasteners are in place, use a torque wrench to torque all hardware to 210 foot-pounds. After everything has been torqued to spec, reattach the trailer's safety lanyard breakaway switch. Next, we'll inflate the 5th Airborne's airbag to provide a superior ride and smoother driving experience while towing. To do this, couple the trailer to the tow vehicle, latch and lock the fifth wheel hitch, and retract the trailer's landing gear. Once the truck and trailer are safely hitched, add air to the air fill valve located on top of the 5th Airborne. When filling, be sure to push the filling valve of the air source all the way into the hard stop of the airbag fill valve to allow the system to take air. The REESE 5th Airborne is designed with an easily visible air pressure indicator to help determine the proper amount of inflation when filling the airbag. This also allows you to quickly inflate the airbag to your preferred position for maximum towing comfort. And to prevent overfilling, the REESE 5th Airborne is equipped with an automatic relief valve that automatically releases excess air if the bag becomes overinflated. That wraps up the installation of the REESE 5th Airborne, part number 94420. For more information on this and other great products from REESE, visit reeseproducts.com.